Everybody keeps telling you that you need millions in your account before Europe will even look at you. That's true for student visa. It's not true for this route. There's a legal way into Germany right now where the company you work for basically pays your way in. No blocked account, no proof of 10,000 euros sitting somewhere. It is called Ausbildung. And Germany currently has over 270,000 of these training positions sitting empty because nobody's applying for them. Yes, you heard me right. 270,000 positions. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that will help you migrate through this route. And I'll also give you some very important websites where you can go to make this particular route work. This is Maximus Files. If you can, kindly give this video a like. It means a lot to us. And if you have any question at any point, kindly drop that in the comment section and I'll help you with that as well. Thanks. Let me show you exactly how this works. Ausbildung is Germany's dual vocational training system. You are not just sitting in a classroom, you work inside a real company several days a week and attend vocational school the rest. It runs 2 to 3.5 years, covers over 325 recognized professions like nursing, IT, hospitality, mechatronics, a whole lot of it. And here's the part that matters for your pocket. You get paid every single month while you train. Nothing crazy, but it's real money and it's the thing that unlocks the whole little or no money path. Now, this is the part nobody explains properly. If you are coming as a student, Germany wants to see a blocked account with roughly 12,000 euros in it before they will even process your visa. Most people hear that number and give up right there. But if you get a signed Ausbildung contract with a company first, that requirement disappears. Once your monthly training stipend meets a certain minimum, currently a little over 1,000 euros gross, the government considers your living cost already secured by your own salary. No blocked accounts needed. The job itself becomes your proof of funds. That's the loophole that makes this genuinely doable with little money. Before you get excited, chill. Understand this. Language is what actually stops most applications, not money. You need at least B1 German for this visa. And for fields like nursing, most employers want like B2. This is non-negotiable. So start learning now, today, not after you find a position. Free and cheap options exist. There's Goethe Institute that structured their courses. There are free YouTube and app-based paths to get you to A1 and B1 before you spend money on anything formal. I will also drop the link to other free websites where you can learn this in the description. To find these positions, go to this site. That's Germany's own Federal Employment Agency portal. Also, check Make It in Germany, which is the official government platform built specifically for international applicants. Plus, this and this. They are boards for skilled trades. Apply directly to companies once you have your B1 certificate or even proof you enrolled in a B1 course. Employers will sign you on that basis and let you finish the language requirements before you travel. Once a company agrees to train you, they issue you an Ordensbonvertrag, which is your training contract. That contract is your golden ticket. You take it to apply for your German National D visa for vocational training. If your employer is willing, they can request an accelerated visa procedure through the local immigration office in Germany, which speeds things up, though it costs them extra little fee. Now, honestly, I'm not going to lie to you and say this is completely free. You still need money for flights, an apartment deposit, and setup costs before your first paycheck lands. Realistically, it is wise to have, some savings for the transition period. The exact amount depends on your city and accommodation arrangement and when you receive your first paycheck. But having a financial buffer can make the move much more safer, which is nowhere near the 12,000 for a blocked account, but not zero either. Anyone telling you it's completely free is setting you up to. When you finish your Ausbildung and pass your final exam, you get an 18-month permit to find qualified work. If your training company offers you a permanent role, which happens often since they've already invested in training you, you move straight into a skilled worker visa. After just 2 years in that role, you can apply for permanent residence. This is genuinely one of the fastest, most affordable routes into a long term life in Germany. That's the real Ausbildung route. No fortune required, just German language, the right paperwork, and a company willing to sign you. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and you can tell us in the comment section where you're watching us from. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you again.